Journaling to me is more than having a personal diary where you write down your thoughts and your heart's desires, as most people would say. To me, journaling is having a best friend, a handy one, which is your ink and your paper. So in today's video, I'm going to help you make your own personal journal, and we'll be using cardboard, exercise book, 60 leaves exercise book, gum, and the African fabrics, tied and dyed by me, myself, and I. So while you make your own personal journal, I need you to remember all this. The benefits of journaling. Number 1, you get to have recollected thoughts. Recollection of thoughts is something most people do not value. Recollection of thoughts is basically you placing all your random thoughts in a day in a particular page, and you coming back to trace where they came from, how they built up, and try to make sense out of it all. Yes, this is me giving a definition based on my own understanding and my own perspective. Journaling releases stress. Journaling releases anxiety. It reduces depression. Journaling can mean a lot of things to people. People do it for fun. Remember when you were teenagers, when you had a diary where you stuck it under your pillowcase, especially when you wrote secret love letters to your crushes in the diary, and you gave them coded names like M. Yeah, who the hell is M? I don't even know. Now that's a journal. But journaling is far from that. Journaling was what helped me recover myself. It brought me to poetry, which was another form of journaling for me. I was able to express my pain, my anxiety, my guilt, and my pleasures in words. And they were so beautiful because they came out of my soul, and whoever read them could feel my heartbeat and the tears that dripped from my eyes. Now that's journaling. But as time went by, I realized that journaling could mean a whole lot more. After all, we are actually going through the self-improvement stage, aren't we? That was when my perspective of journaling changed into the next level, in being Victory 5.0. Now you've made your own personal journal. Beautiful, colorful, representing every aspect of you, which I dare say is extremely beautiful. Now take that pen and go forward and write down those thoughts, those positive thoughts, those negative thoughts. But remember to let the positivity cancel out the negativity and breathe forth flowers, blooms under sun rays. My name is Victoria Jadu, and journaling really did save my life. Be happy.